What this? Add your text. Split it how you want. Add a font. Write your text. Scale it. Now copy it and put it where you want. Write your text. Copy it again and put it where you want. Do it again. Scale it like me. Now split all of the text how you want. Now put a keyframe on the start and the end on scale. Keyframe 1, 20% less the original size. Keyframe 2, original size. Now do it on all of the text. Now add the effect or color you want. Get your emoji. Now copy one of the text. Paste your emoji. Do like me. Now make it bigger on both keyframes. Now select the other texts. Add fade in on all texts. And you're done.